In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, resize, and reposition an image over cells in a spreadsheet. We'll start by placing the image exactly where it can float above your data, rather than being locked inside a single cell. In your spreadsheet, go to the top menu and choose Insert, then hover over Image and select Image over Cells. This option lets the image sit on top of the grid so you can move and size it freely. A file picker will open. Choose the image you want from your computer or connected sources and confirm to insert it. Once the image appears, click on it to select it. You'll see blue handles around the edges and corners. Those handles are your controls for shaping the image's size. To resize, click and drag any handle. Corners are best for changing size while keeping the proportions balanced. As you drag, keep an eye on clarity and legibility. Oversizing can blur an image, while making it too small can hide important details. If the image includes text or logos, aim for a size that remains crisp and readable without overwhelming your data. Next, reposition the image to the precise spot you want. Click and hold anywhere inside the image, then drag it to the desired location. You can align it with grid lines, place it near a chart, or tuck it into a clear area of your sheet. Move slowly to fine-tune the placement, and watch how it interacts with the cells underneath so it doesn't obscure key headings or numbers you need to see at a glance. If the image feels cramped or overlaps important content, adjust the row height or column width to create a better fit. Widening columns or increasing row height gives the image more breathing room and can keep your layout readable and balanced. This tweak changes the sheet's structure, so make small adjustments and check how your data wraps or shifts as you go. It's helpful to zoom in or out temporarily to evaluate the overall layout before you settle on the final arrangement. When you're happy with the placement and size, simply release the mouse button to lock in the changes. The image stays where you placed it and at the size you set, floating over the cells without disturbing your data. That's all there is to it. Insert the image over cells, select it, resize with the blue handles, drag to reposition, adjust row and column dimensions if needed, and release to finalize.